Hello students, welcome to this class. Today we will study some extension topic of your ecology, which is a topic of your botany, that is population ecology. Then what is ecology? Ecology is the study of all relationships among organisms and their abiotic environment. Among the organism means biotic or living things, and abiotic environment means surrounding which non-living organisms or non-living materials are there, which is directly or indirectly involves the organism, is known as ecology. Then population, all the members of the particular species that live together in the same area at the same time. Same area at the same time, particular members are present is known as population. And community, all the populations of different species, different species population are living together in a same or particular area is known as community. Ecosystem, ecosystem means a community and its environment. Community means all the species togetherly uh, remain in a particular environment is known as its ecosystem. Biosphere, global ecological system comprises all the communities on earth and includes all the interaction among different communities on the earth atmosphere, that is lithosphere and hydrosphere, is known as its biosphere. Then the main concept of the ecology, a survivorship curve summarizes the pattern of the survival and death in a population. The age distribution of a population reflects its history of survival, reproduction rate, and potential for future growth. Then a life table combined with a fecundatory schedule can be used to estimate the net reproductive rate. Net reproductive rate means R0, designated as capital R0, and per capita rate of increase is smaller. Dispersal can increase or decrease local population density. Then pattern of survival. Pattern of survival vary a great deal from one species to another. Some species could produce young by the millions and die at a high rate. Some other species produce a few young and invest heavily in their care and have a high survival rate. Biologists have invented the life table that lists both the survivorship and the death. Death means mortality rate in the population to describe the survival pattern. How survive? How many days a particular population is survived is known as pattern of survival. Then estimating patterns of survival. Three main methods of estimation, that is cohort life table, in which identify the individuals born at the same time and keep records from the birth. Then static life table, record the age at the death of individuals takes place is the known as static life table. And age distribution. Age distribution calculate difference in the proportion of individuals in each age class, assumes difference from mortality. Here is the age distribution. Percentage of individuals of different ages in a given population commonly presented through age pyramid, in which 0 to 4 age group, how many common people is present. 5 to 9 is, then 10 to 14, 15 to 19, in this way 100 plus how many individuals are living is known as age distribution chart from a particular population group. Then age pyramid types. Expansive population pyramids depict populations that have a larger percentage of people in younger age group, and populations with this shape usually having high fertility rates with lower life expectancy. Then constitutive population pyramid are named so because they are constructed at the bottom. There is a lower percentage of younger people are present and constitutive population pyramids so declining the birth rates since each succeeding age group is getting smaller and smaller. The United States have constitutive population pyramid group. The stationary population pyramids are those that show a somewhat equal proportion of the population in each age group. There is not a decrease or increase in population rate. It is stable. Austria has a stationary population pyramid. Expensive means here the younger one is increases where the older age group are decreases in their size. Here second one is the constitutive, not a particular shape is present. And in stationary pyramid shows equal proportion. Younger one is equal as compared to the older one of the population category. Age pyramid type. Three patterns of population, that is percentage of population takes place. Rapid growth. Here second one is very slow growth and negative growth. Means the younger one is cannot increase their size. So negative growth takes place. High birth rate. Preference for sons is the prevalent, especially in developing countries where such traditions are still important. One son is necessary for a family. Thus, women have children until they give a birth to son, thereby giving rise to the large family structure. Then population dispersal, the movement of individuals into or out of the population or the population area. Immigration, one way outward movement of individuals from an area. If outer population is increased, the size of the remaining population living in a particular area, that is known as emigration. Immigration. Immigration means one way inward movement of individuals into an area. Particular area group movement takes place is known as immigration. And migration. Periodic departure and return of individuals to some area is known as migration. Then population size is affected by number of birth is designated symbol small b, number of deaths designated small d, immigration or immigrants is small I, emigrants is small e. Growth rate of a population R, it is first number one is rate of change in size R equal to small b minus d, means birth rate minus death rate. Population symbols arrow in size as long b is greater than d, or increase in size is b is greater than birth rate is greater than death rate, and r equal to birth rate minus small d means death rate plus immigration, more person or individuals are enter minus emigration, removal of a small population when migration is a factor. So r is designated as growth rate of a population. Here is the population dynamics. When birth rate is increases, birth rate of the birth and immigration added individuals to a population, and death rate is few. So death and immigration remove the individuals from a population, that is emigration, and immigration increases the rate of growth of a population. Then survivorship curve. Survivorship curve can be classified into three general types. Type 1, low death rates during early and middle life, then an increase among older age group, example humans and many other large mammals. Then type 2, the death rate is constant over the organism's lifespan. Example, some birds and some lizards. And type 3, high death rates for the young, then a slower death rate for survivors. Example, oyster produce millions of eggs, but almost all the die from the predation or other causes. Here is the survivorship curve, percentage of maximum lifespan, and this is the steady state number 2. Survivorship curve type 1, majority and mortality occurs among older individuals. Example, dull sheep. Constant rate of survival throughout lifetime is American robins. And type 3, high mortality among young followed by high survivorship is sea turtle, is the example of survivorship curve with some individual name. Then age distribution graph. In age distribution graph, this population of white ox is dominated by young individuals. The age structure of this population of white ox shows that older trees are being replaced by younger trees. Here is the younger trees are replaced the stage of the older one. Here is the age distribution graph. Age distribution. Age distribution means a population reflects its history of survival, reproduction, and growth potential. Miller published data on age distribution of white oak, determined relationship between age of trunk diameter, age distribution based towards young trees, and sufficient reproduction for replacement. It is known as stable population. The absence of young trees suggests that this population will not persist, and the age structure of this population shows that the older trees are not being replaced by young tree. 50 to 40 to 50 years older trees dominated in this population graph. Then age distribution. Rio Grande cottonwood population. This is the example how the older trees not begin replaced and young trees are added. Reproduction depends on the seasonal flowers. Prepare seedbed and keep nursery areas moist. Because flowers are absent, there are now fewer germinate area. Then rate of population change. First is birth rate. Number of young born per female is known as birth rate. And fecundity schedule. Tabulation of birth rate for female of different age. Life table and fecundable schedule. Estimate the net reproduction rate, that is R0. Geometric rate of increase is lambda and generation time is T. Factors that influence and regulate population growth, that is density dependent factor, competition for resources, territoriality, disease cycle, predation, toxic wastes, and intrinsic factors, and density independent factors, that is environmental factors. Example, hurricanes and fires is the environmental factor for uh, influence of population growth. Density dependent for factors or competition for resources. In a crowded population, increasing population density itself competition is takes place among the intraspecific or interspecific competition. The resources like water for shelters, food, space, access to mate, and ecological needs. Territoriality. In many vertebrates and some invertebrates, competition for territory may limit the density. Cheetahs are high territorial, using chemical communication to warn other cheetahs for the boundary. Then low birth rate, availability and knowledge. Now birth rate is controlled because of availability of knowledge of birth control and uses of contraceptives and vasectomy. Then low death rate, better healthcare, better trained doctors and nurses, better equipment lead to low infant mortality rate and higher life expectancy. That is the low birth rate, use a better hygiene area to control the disease. Low birth rate, improve in agriculture technology, cause more food to be produced efficiently and made availability. Organic foods as normal farm foods. Organic food are better than farm foods. Organic foods are vended in our garden and it is very essential for our body. And high death rate. The causes of high death rate, low life expectancy due to poor medical facilities and standards. Poorly trained doctors and nurses are appointed and poor medical equipments. High death rate causes poor harvest due to drought and flood. Not enough food for feeding the people. People die due to hungry. It is all about the population ecology and thank you.